Welcome to Disney's Art of Animation Resort at Walt Disney World. Today we'll be giving you a suite room tour. We're going to start in the lobby first though, in which the walls are covered with really cool Disney animation. You're going to want to spend some time in the lobby just looking at all of the different animations. This is the other side of the lobby where you check in. Now there are multiple pools on the property and this is just one of them, but one quick tip is that there's underwater speakers so you can hear the music underwater, which I think is fantastic. While the Art of Animation has many themed areas such as Little Mermaid and Lion King, today we're giving you a suite tour of the Cars section of one of the Cars suites. Now as you go into the building, you see all of these fun cars from the Cars movie. And here is the entrance to the Cars area. Now we're going to give you a tour of room 2513. As you walk in, you will see this table for four. But what's amazing about this table is it's not only a table for you to eat, but it also transforms into a Murphy bed. You just pull the bed out of the wall, and this is where two more guests can sleep. Now this is a one-bedroom suite, so right over here is the one bedroom. I love all the Cars accessories such as the cones for the lamp shades. There is a large TV over here that you can watch from your bed. And then there is a bathroom right off of this room. Now this bathroom is really cute. It says Spiffy in a Jiffy. Again, it's Cars themed, so the kids are really gonna like this. And it has a stand-up shower. Now if you go out to the main room, you have a microwave, a coffee maker, a sink, and a refrigerator. Now that couch, that pulls out to a bed. You've got a TV, and again, more Cars themed accessories and furniture. I love the accessories. Now there's also a second bathroom in this suite, which is perfect for families. Again, it's a Spiffy and a Jiffy Cars themed bathroom. This one has a bathtub and a really cute Cars shower curtain. So that's it, guys. That was my tour of the Cars one-bedroom suite. Leave me a comment. What did you think? Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye, guys.